Good day, Dr. Amahanis. My name is Wong with matrix number 298526. Today, I would like to present about my final assignment. So, at the first, I will log into the apps. So, I click the Remember Me, then I will click to log in. So, at the main screen, it will show my worker ID, my full name, email, phone, address, and I can edit my details when I click the Edit Profile button. So at the edit profile screen, it will show that I can only edit my name, phone, and address. Now I will edit my phone number. So now I will click the Save Changes button. Then it will ask whether I want to confirm to update my things or not. Then I click Yes. Then at the main screen, it will replace my old phone number with the edit one. So now I will go to task screen. For the task screen, I can describe what I submit in the text bar here. So for this, I can describe what I did for my task. Let's say demo first. Then I will click the submit work button. Then it will pop up the message ask whether I want to confirm my submission or not. Then I will click the submit button. So now I can go to my submission history to check my updated. So for this all, I can open it and check my task description, my submission, and original due date, and when I submit the work, or whether if I do some update on my submission. So just now I want to edit my work submission. So I will click this and text the new thing. So this is my edit submission that the text I need to upload to my PHP. So now I will click the save button. So now it will show my new edited text at here and the previous submitted date and time and the new submitted date and time. So for the drawer at each screen, user can click to main screen or task screen or history screen and even though the edit profile screen. So user want to log out the apps, it can click the log out button at the bottom of the drawer. Now I click the log out button. It will ask whether I want to log out or not. I will click the log out. So it will back to the main screen. Then for the just now submission text with the oldest and the new one, it will all collect in the SQL and it will show the updated date. If I do not update anything for the task, it doesn't show any updated date and time on the screen. So just now I update my new phone number, so it will also save in the SQL. Now I will present the edit profile screen where user can update their personal information. For the overview, this screen is viewed using a stateful widget called edit profile screen with which receive the login user objects parameter. So for this final user, it's initializing the controllers. In the initState method, we initialize three text controller which call name controller, phone controller, and address controller using the current user's data from the user model. So for here, it means that when the screen loads, it autofills the form fields with the user's editing name, phone, and address. But here, when the user taps the save buttons, a confirmation dialog appears using so dialog and takes and this ensures the user confirms their intention to update the profile before the request is sent. If the user confirms the updates profile method is called, then this will send a post request to our PHP backend with updated fields like phone, name, and address. If the response returns a success status, a snack bar will display a confirmation message and pops the screen. If there's a failure or error, a different snack bar will inform the user. For this history screen, it shows all tasks submitted by a worker, allows them to view details and even edit their previous submission. In initState, we call load submission, which send a post request to the get submission PHP backend file using the current user's ID. At here, if the server returns success, it phrases the response into a list of submissions object and updates the UI. We use Boolean flags like is loading an error message to manage the UI state during loading and error condition. If it is still loading, it will show a spinner to the user. And if there is an error, it will show a retry button. And if the submission are empty, it will show a message to the user. Each submission is displayed inside a card built using build submission cards. Cards are expandable. Tapping toggles more details like task description, your submitted text, due date, submission date, and updated timestamp if available. This is managed using a map of expanded state. When the user taps the edit button inside a submission card, we show an alert dialog with a multi-line text field to edit the submission. If confirmed, we send the updated text and submission ID to edit submission PHP using another HTTP post request. If it is successful, we reload the submission list and show a snack bar message. So I think that's all from my presentation. Thank you.